Today I'll show you how to make shrimp chow fun that is very delicious. Prepare the noodle and shrimp. 1 rice flat noodle. Cut the noodle right in half. Separate each piece of noodle. If needed, heat up in the microwave up to 4 minutes to make it soft and easy to pull. 11 pieces of raw shrimps. Peel off the shells. Remove the dark dorsal vein if there is any. Pour out the water, then add salt. Massage for 2 minutes to get rid of the slimes and odor. Rinse 3 times in cold water. Squeeze out the water during the final wash. Afterwards, use a kitchen paper towel to pat them dry. In a clean bowl, add 1 egg to the shrimps. Add salt. Add sesame oil. Stir a little. Then add cornstarch. Mix it well, set aside. Prepare the other ingredients. 3 green onions. Cut the stem parts in half. Then cut into 2 inches long. 1/2 of onion. Cut the onion into slices. 5 garlic cloves peeled. Mince into small pieces. 3 eggs. Beat the egg whites and yolks until they are mixed together. Prepare the sauce ingredients. In a bowl, add chicken soup base with no MSG. Add sugar. Add rice cooking wine. Add light soy sauce. Add fish sauce. Add dark soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add hoisin sauce. Add water. Stir thoroughly, set aside. Let's cook. Heat up the wok. Start with 2 tablespoons of oil. After 20 seconds, add the battered shrimps. Cook each side for 1 to 2 minutes in medium heat. Once the color is pink, flip it. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the shrimps from the heat. In the same wok, drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil. After 20 seconds, pour the beaten eggs in the wok. Turn it over after 1 minute in medium-high heat. Once this side has cooked for 1 minute, break the egg into small pieces. Remove the eggs, set aside. While the wok is still hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add minced garlic. Stir for 1 minute in low heat. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil, then add sliced onion. Turn up the heat to high. Toss for 30 seconds to bring out the flavor. Add green onions and 2 tablespoons of the sauce mixture. Toss for 10 seconds to combine. Once One half of bean sprouts. Wash thoroughly, drain. Add bean sprouts. Toss for 10 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of sauce. Toss again for 10 seconds. Add 3/4 of rice noodle. Toss until the sauce are mixed well into the noodle. Finally, add the rest of the rice noodle. Add 2 more tablespoons of sauce. Toss again to combine the sauce and noodle. Pour all the sauce in the wok. Add eggs. Add shrimps. Toss again for 1 minute before turning off the heat. Cook time is 11 minutes. Shrimp chow fun is now ready. You can add hoisin sauce, chili sauce to enhance the flavor. When you are hungry, you can make it. Thank you so much for dropping by. See you in the next episode.